Unlock the power of AWS VPC Endpoint Policies. Learn how to control access to your AWS services with surgical precision. VPC endpoints enable you to privately connect your VPC to supported AWS services without traversing the internet. But how do you control what can access which service? Enter VPC Endpoint Policies. VPC Endpoint Policies are resource policies that act as a gatekeeper. They define rules to allow or deny access to AWS services from specific VPCs, security groups, or IAM principals. Granular control at your fingertips. Why does this matter? Imagine you have multiple VPCs or teams sharing an AWS account. Without policies, all resources could access all services. A security nightmare. Endpoint policies let you enforce boundaries. Let's look at a real example. Say you want to restrict access to an S3 bucket from only your production VPC. Create an endpoint policy denying all principals, except those from your prod VPC's ID. Simple and effective. But there's more. You can get even more granular by allowing or denying specific IAM roles, users, or security groups. The power is yours. To implement VPC endpoint policies, simply head to the VPC console, select your endpoint, and edit the policy document using the visual editor or JSON. Test your changes, and you're all set. Remember, these policies not only control access, but also limit risk exposure by reducing the attack surface. A secure environment is a productive one. So don't wait. Take control of your AWS resources today with VPC endpoint policies. Implement least privilege access and sleep better at night. Mastering VPC endpoint policies will level up your AWS skills and make you a networking ninja. Subscribe to Network Ninja for more tips and tricks like this. Like, share, and comment.